Hi friends, and welcome back to my channel. I'm just going to try to cover up the glare over here. So this is a small haul. It's a stamp haul from Craftstash, and I finally got the stamps that go with my makeup dies. I'm so excited. Yeah, you've already seen me use some of these makeup dies, like the sunglasses and perhaps the atomizer. What is it called? Atomizer? Anyhow, I will link you to those projects in the description area down below, and I can't wait to get started on these. So let's check out what I got. So, not too long ago, I shared a couple of projects with you. Number one, I shared a mini album with you where I used papers from Made to Surprise by Calcott, and these are from the UK. And so, yeah, I made a mini album using these papers, and the solid parts to these papers. Look how beautiful they are. The solid part to these papers I also used in my mini album, and I will continue to use these paper collections because they are so absolutely scrumptious. And I will go ahead and link you to my projects in the area right underneath this video. And so I also made several cards, and some of them were using the dies from Calcott, and these are from the Super Sliders collection. And I'll leave you with a link to these also in the area underneath this video. And these are absolutely girly dies. I just love these dies. There is an entire makeup collection. This is just the tip of the iceberg. And so I will also link you to the projects that I made using just the dies. But I can't wait to use the stamps as well. I mean, these are so absolutely fantastic. And so I just wanted to show these to you because because the stamps that I'm about to show you that I just got last night go with this stuff right here. And so I'm sorry about the glare. Let me go ahead and take care of that. I just wanted to do the unboxing right here and now. And so yeah, let me just take care of that. And we're gonna go through all of them. So sorry. Oh, I love these. I love these. Oh my gosh, and there's still glare. Okay, let's start with this one first. Here we go. There. Let's start with this one first. This is a sentiment stamp set that goes with this collection right here. It's the Made to Surprise. Let's hear it for the girls. And I got a funny story to tell you. If you watched my last video where I showed you the paper collection, I made a mistake. Okay, I was trying to read this and I said guillotines, and so my husband watched the video after it went live, and he goes, "So you took geology in college?" So I'm sorry for my verbal blunders. Oh my gosh, you're gonna get a lot of that with me, okay? My excuse, English is not my first language. So sorry about any mispronunciations that I may come across. This is actually geodes because I took geology in college. So anyways, yeah, this stamp collection is one that's going to go with this collection right here. And let's see, we have all sorts of really neat sentiments. And what I love about these sentiments is the fonts. They use some really, really cool fonts. Let's just, oops, sorry about that. Let's just go ahead and take a look at that. And so, yeah, this collection is called Let's Hear It for the Girls Sentiment A5 stamp set. And the stock number, can I find the stock number? Yes, the stock number is going to be right over here. And I will make sure that I link you to this in the area right underneath this video. Alrighty, so this is the makeup set that I've been waiting on, and oh my gosh, I just wanted to pull this out. This you have already seen in a different haul video, and like I said, you have already seen me do some projects with this and this one, I believe. But the other ones I didn't really get to use because the shapes don't make sense unless you have a definition, which would be the stamps. And I so love it. And let me just go ahead and pull out the shapes. There we go. These are the die sets. And these dies are the Made to Surprise by Sam Calcott makeup die set from the Super Sliders collection, in case you're interested. And right over here is the style number or the stock number that you'll find it on, and I will just link you directly to this down below. And so over here we have, I believe, yep, over here we have the stamps that go to it. And so yeah, let me just do this, and I'm trying not to get any glare on this. There we go. And let me just put this to the side, and let's take a look at these other ones. These other ones go with this set of dies, and this is what the shapes look like. And this set of dies is called the Made to Surprise by Sam Calcott Shoes and Handbags die set. This is what the packaging looks like. It's really, really fun. And this is the stock number to look for on the website. And so this goes with this. I'm so super excited. I love it, love it, love it, love it, love it. So y'all know I'm going to be making a heck of a lot more cards. And so, yeah, shoes. This is the Shoes and Bags A5 stamp set. And the stock number is this one right along here. And so, yeah, this is what I wanted to share with you. And I have so much more to share with you. And, oh, wow. I will see you once again real soon. Thank you for watching. Bye now.